Beneath us is an F-35 Lightning II that vanished into silence. And today, we bring it back from the dead.
It spent years abandoned in black water, but the aircraft is still there, still whole, and
The North Atlantic remains unforgiving.
There, look! That's definitely aircraft metal. We made contact.
Roger, 50 feet above the recovery zone. Visibility improving slightly on the starboard side.
Buried for decades, the distinct bubble shape of the Lightning's canopy remains unmistakable, a relic of immense cost now surrendered to the deep. Emerging from the silt, the wreckage reveals the stealth geometry of the advanced fighter, marred by years of corrosion. The matte gray stealth skin is pitted and streaked, layered with barnacles along the edges. Despite the orange-brown corrosion, the deep-sea environment has softened the panel lines, but the impact dents reveal the violence of the crash. The intake opening sits choked with silt, torn weed, and shell clusters, its angular geometry still readable through the damage. Partially exposed, the Tomb 1 landing gear is a haunting sight. Jammed into the silt, it appears less like machinery. Despite the heavy marine buildup, the unique trapezoidal design of the F-35 is clearly visible, accentuating the stillness of the wreck.
The divers are dwarfed by the aircraft's immense scale, highlighting the extreme depth of the wreck site.
Lying almost a mile beneath the surface, the distinct silhouette of the F-35 is unmistakable.
Beneath this algae glaze, you can clearly see the integrated panel lines. This confirms it's not conventional wreckage, but a stealth airframe.
Immobilized by years of pressure, this mechanical detail quietly communicates just how long the aircraft has been held down.
Beneath the mottled gray-blue finish remains.
The cracking and bent metal expose the composite layers beneath the surface. This impact occurred years ago. A side angle reveals the extensive decay. As the camera follows the curve of the canopy, the exact silhouette of the aircraft.
Okay, moving to the tail section now. Recording parameters holding steady, looking good for the lift.
Cable tension reading stable.
Copy that. Approaching the tie-in points now.
The sling is almost clear of the wing root, making slow progress through the mud.
Tension is increasing on the main line. Keep an eye on the load.
Copy that. Watching the load cell now.
Check the tension on line 3. Looks good from here.
Tensioning the primary sling now.
Roger that. We're seeing heavy silt displacement on the port side.
Okay, easy on the starboard side. Watch the intake damage.
Copy that. It's almost clear. Keep the tension.
Hold the load steady.
We're losing the tagline on the starboard side.
Crane, bring it up 20 feet.
Recovery team, this is the surface. The current is running hard. Maintain position.
Roger, surface. We are holding steady.
The cables strain under the load, and then the critical moment. The suction breaks, sending a plume of silt across the site.
Keep the tension steady.
We're seeing heavy strain on the starboard side.
All right, hold it there. We're almost through the surge.
Confirm, sling secured. Beginning the lift, stand by for motion. Maintain altitude, hold position. Crane, slow rotation to the east. We have tension on the line.
The final hook lock achieved. This single mechanical moment now carries the weight of the entire recovery operation.
For the first time, the aircraft moves, lifting just enough to free the shadow trapped beneath it, a sign that it is no longer dead weight.
The seabed relinquishes its hold. The distinctive shape of the F-35 emerges from the abyssal mud.
Tension is holding steady at the bow. Keep the ascent slow.
Roger that, bridge.
After decades lying dormant on the seabed, the tremor signaled that the immense structure was finally beginning to move.
Main sling lock engaged. Increasing tension to maximum load. Structure holding.
Watch the tension on that line.
Roger that. Control. We are secure and awaiting instructions. Tension steady at 40,000. Prepare for hoist sequence beginning now. We're clear of the waterline. Tension holding.
Copy that. Keep the ascent steady.
Coated in the residue of its long slumber, the aircraft breaks free into the open air for the first time.
A three-quarter front view reveals the F-35's exact nose, canopy, and blended fuselage.
We're losing stabilization on the port side. Watch the cables.
Roger, easy now, easy.
The aircraft sheds years of burial before the viewer's eyes, revealing the sophisticated gray-blue stealth finish beneath the rot.
The load is shifting to the port side. Ease off on line 3.
Acknowledged. Easing tension on 3. We have a starboard tilt.
Crane, hold your position.
We are clear on the aft section.
Bring her down slow. We are tight on time. Lift confirmed. Angle steady. Copy that. Proceeding to elevation target. Keep it steady. Control room. Watch that wind shear.
Copy that. Adjusting accordingly.
As we rose above the turbulent sea, the structure of the crane disappeared, leaving only the storm clouds and the long journey ahead. Maintaining this low altitude over the turbulent waves requires absolute precision from the pilot. The underside reveals the true cost of its journey. Streaked with marine residue, it appears less like a machine and more like a relic.
Ascending now. Structure stabilized. We are clear of the debris field. Deck, this is the crane operator. We are approaching the receiving area.
Roger that, operator. Watch the load tension and maintain stability. Keep it coming.
Tension steady on the winch.
All right, easy now. Bring her down 5 feet. Hold it there.
Once a symbol of air superiority, the F-35 now stands as a testament to the unforgiving power of the sea. Suspended above the platform, the aircraft remains steady, despite the intense vibrations and the turbulent sea below. The underwing torrent continues relentlessly, draining the trapped seawater from the machine long after it has left the ocean.
Final alignment established.
Roger that. Looking stable.
Recovered from the depths, the F-35 finally sees daylight. A triumph of engineering, despite the cost.
Braking thrust engaged. Preparing for impact.
Contact. We show green across the board.
Bring her down slowly, 2 inches.
Roger. Coming down.
Clear on the port side, set her down.
Pulled from the seabed after years, the aircraft is shedding the deep ocean's grip.
The recovery slings bite into marine-coated surfaces and leave wet channels through the grime. The rescue process itself.
Even now, the time trapped inside the structure is still escaping, draining away as the platform settles.
This is preservation, not cosmetic restoration. We're just knocking loose the heavy debris before the detailed cleaning.
The initial wash clears the algae, revealing the dark glass beneath. Yet the broad rinse reveals the original gray finish. Here, recovery becomes legibility.
The water strips away the growth, restoring the silhouette. Yet the aircraft remains wounded, merely less hidden.
A high-pressure water flush clears the F-35 stealth channels, revealing the debris packed inside by the sea.
Maintain tension on the crane, moving forward slowly.
Confirmed. Steady as she goes.
Deck is green, continue the transfer. Monitor tension on the main cable. All stations report clear. Crane, hold position at 20 feet.
Roger that. Holding steady.
Bay 4 clear. All hands on the F-35. We've got major structural fatigue readings across the board.
Take a look at the leading edge there, just above the flap.
Running the diagnostic now. The stress data looks stable, but the contamination levels are high.
All right, log that for further analysis.
The light reveals significant stress fractures around this rivet line.
And look at this impact mark on the tail. We need to document the depth.
Parts of the bay floor are lined with absorbent barriers and drainage mats around the aircraft to catch runoff and debris. Finally, the original matte gray-blue begins to emerge, a sign that even after severe corrosion, the aircraft's true identity survives.
Improvement arrives in small, serious steps. The canopy has been rinsed and wiped enough to reflect workshop light.
Platform is secure. Let's start the inspection sequence on the left strake.
Roger. Moving to the forward section now.
The rescue phase is over. The aircraft is fully stabilized and ready for restoration.
The aircraft appears caught between death and renewal, neither sea wreck nor restored machine.
Disassembly begins with respect and restraint. This critical first panel reveals the extent of the corrosion beneath the stealth exterior.
Restoration is labor, not magic. These corroded fasteners resist every inch of the way. This excavation reveals the true cost of the saltwater ingress. The hidden damage finally has a...
We're using fine tools and soft abrasive pads to clean the canopy frame. We remove the deposits, but we always make sure...
Watch the hydraulics on the left side. Copy that. Watching it now.
Wire brushes and abrasive wheels surgically attack the rust, sending particles downward and revealing the clean surface beneath. Small picks and vacuum tools remove the stubborn shell residue where water left dense deposits. The camera lingers on these tiny extractions. A deep, controlled wash flushes out hidden grit and salt from these angular interior surfaces, gradually restoring the clean gray tones.
Structure starts to matter more than grime. Stripped of its history, the aircraft begins its new life. The raw metal and fresh primer show the extensive efforts to restore it to service.
We have to be careful with the pressure, otherwise the deeper scratches just catch the light and the transparency is compromised.
The goal here is to remove the corrosion without compromising the structural integrity of the stealth coating.
We need to focus on this joint near the cradle.
Okay, I'll apply the foam treatment now. Maintain that speed. We need 0 tolerance on the leading edge.
Confirmed. The geometry matches perfectly.
Neutral primer coats repaired sections across wing root, nose, and rear fuselage, muting the visual chaos of corrosion into a cleaner map of work completed.
We're reinstalling the actuator now. You have to ensure the torque is exactly right before we can clear it for flight.
The laser alignment shows 0 deviation at this seam. Excellent. The geometry holds.
The fresh matte gray-blue coating ensures the aircraft maintains its low visibility profile.
The refinished wing surface now reads as a continuous plane again, its stealth form restored, though close inspection still reveals honest repair history.
The precise application of the radar-absorbent material restores the critical low visibility uniformity, ensuring symmetry returns to the silhouette. The cleaned and restored canopy is reedited, its teardrop contour matching the original specifications.
The seam is locked. We have full integrity.
Acknowledged. Torque the final bolt.
A broadside view now shows the aircraft nearly complete, the reference silhouette fully restored, with only subtle shop equipment around it.
A forensic pass reveals the exquisite matte texture, highlighting panel continuity. The controlled imperfections lend us. It's the unseen systems that matter most. We reconnect the lifelines before sealing the bay. With the final fastener secured, the massive airframe is ready for the next phase of restoration.
Fully reassembled and finished in faithful matte gray blue, the restoration is now complete. The F-35 is ready to roll. After months of meticulous work, the restoration is complete. A testament to precision engineering.
The F-35's distinctive profile, particularly the broad wing roots and stealth fuselage, presented a unique challenge during the restoration process.
In the quiet of the hangar, the true beauty of the engineering is revealed. Not in glamour, but in resilience.
The canopy's flawless curve reflects the hangar with absolute clarity. It stands ready, a testament to precision engineering.
As we look at the front profile, the craftsmanship is evident. We insisted on maintaining these slight imperfections, which tell the story of its service.
Restored to its former glory, this F-35 showcases the distinctive lines of its design, from the sophisticated nose to the angled twin tails.
Flap alignment nominal. Ceiling panels secured. Landing assembly reports green. All systems check complete.
After thousands of hours of meticulous work, the restoration is complete. Standing before her,
The achievement is not in the sound it makes, but in the silence of its completion. Restored and resolute.
If you want to see more real recoveries and restorations like this, stay with us, because some machines deserve to be remembered the hard way.
Subscribe for the next resurrection, because the world is still full of forgotten giants waiting to come back.